Hello everyone, today I will be reviewing MelodySusie Artemis Rechargeable Nail Drill. So make sure you touch that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my new video. So I'm gonna show you what's inside the box of MelodySusie Artemis Nail Drill. So first I have the user manual, nail drill bit, sanding bands, different kinds of nail drill bits plus sanding bands, handpiece fixture, a handpiece holder, and this one is the charger or the power cord. Next is the Artemis Rechargeable Nail Drill. It's a beautiful color, it's very feminine, it's nice. And then the handpiece. This is the power button and also the speed control knob. And here is the output. This is where we connect the handpiece. And next is the forward and reverse button. And this one is the portable hook or a belt clip. When you go to work, you can simply hang it on your pocket while working. It is light and compact. And this one is where you put the handpiece fixture. You can also put it on the other side. Just like this. And this is the input where we connect the power cord or the charger. And here is the ventilation holes. And this one is the skid-proof cover. And this is a bit lock system where you can open and then lock the drill bit. And it comes with space-saving wire. So you can put your handpiece like this, or you can also put it on the other side. Depends if you're left-handed or a right-handed. Or you can also put it on your handpiece holder like this. MelodySusie Artemis Rechargeable Nail Drill is a quick charging from 2 hours to 2.5 hours to be fully charged, and it can last up to 6 to 8 hours of working. And it comes with 6 drill bits. So first is, this is called a cone. So this is for undernails, cuticle, and sidewalls. And this is the safety bit. This is for cuticle work, polish nail side edge. And this one is called the ceramic cone. This is for cuticle and extra glues under the nails or sidewalls. Next is called the small barrel. This is for surface work. And this one is the rounded bit. This is for surface work for backfill cutting, shorten and infill cuticle. And this is what we call the mandrel, and it goes with the sanding bands. This is for surface work, shortening and removal. Just like this. And this one is the MelodySusie Tungsten Carbide Nail Drill Bits. This comes from 7 different colors. The green stands for coarse. It fits well with most nail drill. and it is suitable for right-handed and left-handed use. MelodySusie Artemis nail drill is great for various nail artwork, for nail preparation, acrylic nails, gel nails, deep powder nails, and a great solution for thick nails, pedicure, manicure, and removing dead skin and callos. And it works on all the nail shapes. And now I'm gonna try to remove my gel polish using the MelodySusie Artemis nail drill. This nail drill is really easy to use and it is really easy to carry. You don't need a big space to have this nail drill. You can carry it anywhere, anytime you want. And it is built-in overcurrent protection for safety use. MelodySusie Artemis nail drill is an all-in-one nail maintenance device that allows you to bring you beauty salon home and do your own manicures and pedicures. It is versatile and easy to use. It's an essential tool for nail care veterans and beginners. This nail drill is available in two colors, pink and black. It is high quality with a variable speed control up to 30,000 RPM. It has silicone insulation to provide optimum comfort and avoid heat stress. It has ventilation holes design, skid-proof cover that provide low noise, low vibration, and low heat. And also it is very easy to use. So I'm gonna leave the link below on my description box so you guys can check it out. And don't forget to use my code ROSE12 or ROSE12 to get 12% off when you buy MelodySusie product. So overall, what I love about MelodySusie Artemis nail drill is it is rechargeable, it is portable, it is easy to learn to use, it is easy to carry, it has low vibration, low noise, low heat, and it is very light that makes it easy to use. And that's it, everyone. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you for watching.